The Advin Health Care Biliary Stricture Dilation Set enables safe, controlled dilation of biliary strictures, ensuring precision, efficiency. Introducing the Advin Health Care inflation device, designed to deliver precise and controlled balloon inflation during endoscopic and biliary dilation procedures. It ensures accurate pressure application, supporting safe and effective clinical outcomes. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the device allows smooth inflation and deflation with consistent pressure control. The clear pressure gauge provides real-time monitoring, helping clinicians avoid overinflation and reduce procedural risks. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip and reliable control, even during prolonged procedures. Its user-friendly design supports quick pressure adjustments, improving procedural efficiency and clinician confidence. Compatible with a wide range of balloon dilators and accessories, the Advin Health Care inflation device. Introducing the Advin Health Care ERCP guide wire, designed to provide precise access and smooth navigation during ERCP procedures. It supports accurate cannulation and stable device exchange, improving procedural control and efficiency. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the guide wire offers an ideal balance of flexibility and strength. Its atraumatic tip minimizes the risk of tissue injury, while the stable shaft ensures consistent performance throughout the procedure. Compatible with standard ERCP accessories and endoscopic systems, the guide wire integrates seamlessly into routine clinical workflows. Introducing the Advin Health Care Biliary Balloon Dilator, designed for safe and controlled dilation of biliary strictures during ERCP procedures. It enables precise expansion of narrowed bile ducts, supporting improved bile flow and effective clinical outcomes. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the balloon ensures uniform and gradual inflation, minimizing the risk of ductal trauma. Clear diameter markings allow accurate monitoring of balloon size under fluoroscopic guidance, enhancing procedural safety. The Advin Health Care Biliary Balloon Dilator features an atraumatic tip that supports smooth insertion and accurate positioning. Its flexible catheter shaft allows easy navigation through the endoscope channel and biliary anatomy, providing excellent control throughout the procedure. Radiopaque markers improve visibility, enabling precise placement and real-time monitoring during dilation. Compatible with standard guide wires and inflation devices, it integrates seamlessly into routine ERCP workflows. Designed for single-use application, it ensures sterility and reliable performance trusted by healthcare professionals worldwide.